welcome back to my channel. Sorry, there's construction going outside my house, so it's a little noisy. I was actually planning on doing a voice-through video today, but it's so noisy around my house. I can't do that. That's because I can't film a video without people interrupting, or there's construction going on, or there's cars. There's always something. That's why I always have to do voiceovers, because it's gonna be, or my phone is ringing. So yeah, sorry about that, you guys. So today I did this look using Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry Palette. As I said on my previous video that I was gonna do another look using the same palette. So this is the look. But yeah, this is the look for today, you guys. If you want to know how to get this look, please stay tuned. So this is a first for me and you guys. I'm starting off by applying this rose clay mask that I got from Origins, and I love this mask because it minimizes my pores, it exfoliates my skin, and when you wash it off, your skin just feels so smooth and nice. So I'm just applying that all over my skin, and then I'm gonna be doing my makeup while I have this mask still on my skin. So for my eyes, as always, I'm going in with Soft Ocher by MAC, and I'm just applying that all over my lids just to prime my lids and make the eyeshadows last longer on my lids. And for eyeshadow today, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry Palette, and I'm picking up that shade Fresh, and I'm applying that all over my lids. Next, with a blending brush, I'm picking up the shade Slate, and I'm focusing that onto my crease and just blend this out as much as you can. With a small pencil brush, I'm picking up the shade Nior, and I'm applying this on the outer corner and inner corners of my eye. It's really hard to explain this, but pretty much what I'm doing is I am drawing out like a diamond shape thing on my lids, and then with a small blending brush I'm blending it out. Up the shade Slate, and I'm gonna be using this to smoke out the black that we already have on the outer and inner corners of our eyes, and then with a bigger blending brush you can blend this out even more. Pick up a little more of the shade Nior, and I'm gonna deepen the inner and outer corner of my eyes, and with a blending brush just blend this out as much as you can. I really took my time and blended this out. I used few different blending brushes, so just make sure you blend this out as much as you can. Now using my MAC Soft Ocher and a small detail brush, I'm gonna carve out that little diamond shape that we had already created, but since we applied the eyeshadow it kind of faded, so this technique will help the shimmery eyeshadow that we are about to apply stand out much better. Now I'm picking up some more of the shade Fresh, and I'm applying that all over the area that we have just carved out. With a flat brush, I'm picking up the shade Cyborg, and I'm applying that onto the area where we have carved out. And make sure to really sharpen the crease area so we have a really nice sharp cut crease. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. And with a small blending brush, I'm picking up the shade Slate, and I'm using this shade to blend the dark black that we have applied with the silver that we have just applied. I'm gonna go in and pick up some of the shade Nior again, and I'm gonna use this to sharpen the crease, and I'm applying that with small pencil brush. Then using a blending brush, I'm gonna blend this out. Now I'm taking a loose pigment from MAC, and this is in the shade Vanilla. I'm using a small pencil brush and I'm applying this onto the crease area. Sharpen the crease area a tad more. I'm gonna be picking up the shade Neo again, and I'm gonna apply this as close as I can to my lower lash line, and then with a pencil brush I'm gonna pick up the shade Slate, and I'm gonna use this to smoke out the Neo shade that we have already applied onto our lower lash line. I would usually just wash the mask off with water and scrub the mask onto my skin, but because of this video I'm just using a damp cloth to wipe away all the mask that's still left on our skin. And then I'm gonna spritz my face using Caudalie's Beauty Exhaler, and I'm using rose oil from Milani. I love this oil, you guys. It makes my skin feel so nice and fresh. So I'm just using a few drops and just applying that all over my skin. For foundation today, I'm using one of Inglot's foundation. I had bought this foundation a while back. I never used it. I don't know if I love this foundation because the shade is a little weird on my skin and it didn't have a lot of coverage. Concealer, I'm using my favorite Tarte tape shape concealer, so I'm just applying that under my eyes and around my lips because I have a little discoloration there, and then using my damp sponge I'm just gonna blend that in. I'm using It Cosmetics loose powder, and this is a new powder that I'm trying out, so I don't really love this either. I don't know if it's the color that was off or the texture. I just didn't love how my foundation and powder came out that day. And now to highlight under my eyebrows, I'm using MAC's Pigment in Vanilla, and I'm using a little detail brush and just applying that under my eyebrows. And now with a brush, I'm gonna wipe away all the excess loose powder that's still sitting on our skin. For contour today, I'm gonna be using Too Faced Sun Bunny, and I'm just applying that on my forehead, under my jawline, and onto my cheekbones. And I do my nose contouring off camera. And for blush today, I'm using one of MAC's blushes. I can't remember the name, but I'll link it down below for you guys. And for highlighter today, I'm using Inglot's Sparkling Dust loose powder, and I'm applying this on my high points of the face. And you guys, this is an amazing product. You use the smallest amount and it gives you like amazing shine, as you can see in the video. So I just applied that on my forehead, the bridge of the nose, on my cheekbones, and I like to apply it on my chin as well. And for lashes, I'm using Lilly Glitchy lashes. I'm going to apply a coat of mascara onto my lashes before actually applying the falsies on my lashes. So I'm gonna be using some tweezers to apply the false lashes onto my own lashes. And then I'm gonna be taking the same mascara from the Balm Cosmetics, and I'm gonna apply a few coats of that onto my lower lashes. Now using my Tarte's eyeliner, I am just drawing a little line onto my inner corners of the eye. This will just give me an cat eye effect. And for lips today, I'm gonna be using Lime Crime's lipstick. I forgot what the shade is. I'll post that down below. So I'm just filling out my lips using that lipstick. Final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this look come together. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so you can get notifications every time I post. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Makeupbyroya. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Love you again. Bye.